All right. Tom and Egan are making short work of the rest of the dirt. And we had to redo the ramp here a little bit. It was falling apart. And my son has my truck. So Debbie found this guy to has trailers, and he brought his the trailer over, dropped it off, and we get it for 24 hours. So he'll be here tomorrow morning to pick it up, and then he goes and dumps it. And I don't have a truck, so that's awesome. So I'm getting rid of all this dirt and a couple chunks of concrete up there. And yeah, nice. I'm really happy about this. The boys are making short work of the dirt. Egan's down there using the pickaxe, breaking up some of the harder stuff at the bottom. And yeah, getting done. All right, catch you later. Bye-bye.